Satco's Dimension tape line of products is available for a wide range of installations and projects. From the beginner to the professional, for indoor and outdoor applications, there are 4 groups to choose from: Color, Performer, Plus, and Pro. Satco offers several types of accessories to cover most installations. They include 4 types of channels: deep, shallow, angled for corners and display lighting, and deep recessed. Tape-to-tape connectors to link 2 strips together. L-shaped connectors to link 2 strips together at a 90-degree angle. Great for corners. 6-inch wire with 2 connectors on each end for installations where a little space between linking 2 strips is needed. Tape-to-wire connectors and a 50-foot spool of 6-pin wire for linking 2 strips of tape in custom length installations. For more information on our Dimension products, go to satco.com.